Welcome back to Think Thrice Problem Solving. We're going to go ahead and solve a fun little problem here. So we have an increasing sequence where all elements in this sequence are natural numbers, so they're all greater than 0. And we're told that a sub n plus 2 is equal to a sub n plus a sub n plus 1. So each term in the sequence is the sum of the previous two. So this is going to start at a sub 3. A sub 1 and a sub 2 are going to be whatever our starting two values are. We're told that a sub 7 is equal to 100, and our goal is to figure out what is a sub 8. Okay, so if you'd like to try this on your own, please pause the video. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and jump into a solution. So as I said, this is going to start at a sub 3. So if I look at the term a sub 3, I can see that's going to equal a sub 1 plus a sub 2. If I look at the term a sub 4, that's going to equal a sub 3 plus a sub 2, which is going to be equal to a sub 3, which was a sub 1 plus a sub 2, plus a sub 2, which is going to give us a sub 1 plus 2 a sub 2. If I look at a sub 5, that's going to be a sub 5 plus a sub 4, or sorry, a sub 3 plus a sub 4, which is going to be a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub 1 plus 2 a sub 2, which is going to give us a grand total of 2 a sub 1 plus 3 a sub 2. If I then look at my a sub 6 term, I'm going to get a sub 4 plus a sub 5, which is going to be a sub 4, which is a sub 1 plus 2 a sub 2, plus a sub 5, which is 2 a sub 1 plus 3 a sub 2. So that's going to sum up to 3 a sub 1 plus 5 a sub 2. And now I can see that a sub 7, which is what we started off with, we know that that's equal to 100, is going to be a sub 5 plus a sub 6, which is going to be 2 a sub 1 plus 3 a sub 2, plus 3 a sub 1 plus 5 a sub 2, which is going to end up being 5 a sub 1 plus 8 a sub 2. So I know that 5 a sub 1 plus 8 a sub 2 is equal to 100. And I know from the problem statement, so from above here, it's increasing. So a sub 2 is greater than a sub 1. Okay, so that tells us a little about what's going on here. Now, if I look at my next term, so if I want to look at my next term in the sequence, let's move one up. I can see that a sub 8 is equal to a sub 6 plus a sub 7. And a sub 6, I already know, is going to be 3a1 plus 5a2. And that's going to be plus 100, because 100 is equal to a sub 7. So really what this boils down to is, what are my values of a sub 1 and a sub 2? So as I look here, I need to figure out what my values of a sub 1 and a sub 2 are, so that the sum of these two will give me 100 when I come in here. So this is a little bit complicated if we went the number theory route. We can kind of brute force this. So I can see that if I'm looking for a value of a sub 1 that's smaller than a sub 2, and I want them to sum up to 100, then I know that I can get 8a2 equal to 80, and if I make 5a1 equal to 20, those two will sum up to 100. So I really just need to find subsets of 100 that those add up. So I can see that that'll work if A1 is equal to 4 and A2 is equal to 10. So I can solve this little equation where A sub 1 is smaller than A sub 2 using this set of equations right here where they sum up to that 100 value. So 5A sub 1, 100 minus 5A sub 1 is divisible by 8, or 100 minus 8A sub 2 is divisible by 5. But what this does for me is now this will tell me what my A sub 8 value is. So if I look at A sub 8, that's going to give me 3 times my A sub 1, which is 4, plus 5 times my A sub 2, which is 10, plus 100. So A sub 8 is going to be 12 plus 50 plus 100, which is 162. And that is going to be my final answer for the sequence. If I want to know what my whole sequence is, then I can kind of work through it, and I can see that if A sub 1 and A sub 2 are 4 and 10, then this guy is going to be 14. This guy is going to be 24. This guy will be 38. This guy will be 62. This one will be 100. And then that'll lead me to my summing these two up to get my 162 down here, sorry. And that'll give me my final answer. All right, so I hope you enjoyed working through this little problem. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you have your own problem that you'd like me to solve, please submit it via email. As you work through problems, think once, think twice, and if you really get stuck, think thrice.